Hi everyone, my name is Praveen Kumar. Welcome back to our Spanish classes. Today we're going to learn about family relations. So how do we call our family relations in Spanish? Padre. Padre means father. Madre. Madre means mother. Padres means parents. It's a plural form. Like padre is father, madre is mother, and padres is parents. Hijo. Hijo is son. As I told you, H is silent in Spanish, so it is pronounced as hijo, and J is pronounced as H, so it is hijo. Hija, daughter. So hijo is son, hija is daughter. Hermano, it is brother. So as H is silent, we pronounce with E. E is pronounced as A. So it is hermano, brother. Hermana, sister. So hermano, brother, hermana, sister. Tío, uncle, tía, aunt. So padre, father, madre, mother, padres, parents, hijo, son, hija, daughter, hermano, brother, hermana, sister, tío, uncle, tía, aunt. Abuelo, abuelo, this is grandfather. Abuela. Grandmother. Abuelo is grandfather and abuela is grandmother. Abuelos, this is grandparents. Primo, cousin, brother. Prima, cousin, sister. Primos means it's a plural form of cousin. So cousins. So cousins is a combination of both cousin brother and cousin sister. So it is primos. Amigo, it's male friend. Amiga, it is female friend. Amigos means friends, both boys and girls, like it's both male and female. It's like a combination of male and females. It's called amigos. So abuelo, grandfather, abuela, grandmother, abuelos, grandparents, primo, cousin brother, prima, cousin sister, primos, cousins, amigo, it's male friend, amiga, it's female friend, amigos means it's a group of friends, like both boys and girls. Nieto, grandson, nieta, granddaughter, nietos, grandchildren. Grandchildren means it's a combination of both, can be male and female. So nietos. Esposo, husband, esposa, wife, sobrino, nephew, sobrina, niece. So we'll just once again revise. Nieto, nieta, nietos, esposo, esposa, sobrino and sobrina. So in this video we'll learn about family relations like padre, father, madre, mother, hijo, son, hija, daughter, tío, uncle, tía, aunt, primo, cousin brother, prima, cousin sister, amigo, male friend, amiga, female friend, and amigos, it's a group of friends like both male and female. Abuelo, grandfather, abuela, grandmother, abuelos, grandparents. Nieto, grandson, nieta, granddaughter, nietos, grandchildren, and esposo, husband, esposa, wife, and sobrino, nephew, sobrina, niece. So in this episode we learned about all the family relations. So in the next episode we'll come up with a new topic in Spanish. Thank you so much. My name is Praveen Kumar. I'm signing off.